Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Michigan. If you're new to the channel, I'm James, and today we replaced the windshield wiper assembly under the cowl. You can tell by our last video, we replaced the motor, and while we were replacing the motor, we found out that it's actually the mechanism inside that controls the wipers, not the motor. So now we got that part right there. We're gonna take it apart, throw it on. First thing you're gonna wanna do is take your windshield wiper blades off. Mine is already off because I had to take it off the other day because it kept flying up here because the mechanism down here broke. So we're gonna pop this one off over here, and then we'll start taking this plastic off. Lift the little tang up, see that? It just pops right off, guys. All right, let's see if we can hopefully pop this off right here. Yep, there's that. Yep, there's that. And then there's one more over here. There we go. And then we'll pop off the other side, and this will all come off. Pop this guy up here. And there. All right. Get this out. Oh, there it goes. All right. Take the windshield washer pisser off. All right, there's that side. All right, we'll pry this up now. There's that. And under here, disconnect this, and right here, I think. Maybe. There it goes. All right, there's that line. And we got that off, exposing our motor. Take this arm off, and then I'm gonna take this arm over here, and we'll pop it off. So there's your two arms right there. Next, we're gonna zip off those two bolts right there, which are 10 millimeter. Now you may have noticed that we did not take this bolt off right here, which attached the linkage to the windshield wiper system. And that's because ours was missing when I took it off. So we'll have to find it or buy one. All right. That's free from the motor now. Yeah. All right, next, we're gonna move over to here to this one down here. You can't really see it, but it's under here. And then there's one right over here. And those are 8 millimeter. We're gonna use a ratcheting wrench for those. Oh, there we go. All right, there's your other one bolt. We got one left over here in the corner. Highly recommend ratcheting wrenches for this. Or you gotta take this plastic out in here to get to this one. Okay, and just like that, we got our bolt out, and this entire rod should come out now with it. Let's see here. There you go, boys and girls. The whole rod is out. This is the one that's seized up on ours. Look, I can't even move it. And this one, you can move. So this is why we're doing the job. This one has failed us. Let's open our box, and let's put our new one on. Check it out, boys and girls. After I removed all that, I was looking around, and down here, under this little metal bracket, we found our nut. Oh, here we go. So that goes right there. Once we assemble our new system. All right, here's our new one. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, the new one's black. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Oh my God, they pre-assembled the whole thing. Oh wow, that is, wow. Okay. Wow, I'm impressed. As long as it fits, this would be a good deal. That means it's already pre-assembled. I thought I was gonna have to assemble it. What do you guys think, huh? Looks pretty good, don't it? Check out compared to this. All right, well, let's install it. Next, you're gonna loosely put your mechanism in here. Try to line up the hole over. Oh, almost lost the bolt. And stick your first bolt in. All right, our first bolt's successful. We haven't started. I'm not gonna tighten it. I just wanna leave it in there loose as I put the other 3 bolts in. Next, I'm gonna try to line this up here and get one of these started right here. All right, you guys, we got to finally bite. There we go. All right, that one went in. First try, no fighting, look at that. All right, well, get the one over there, and then we can tighten everything up. Last bolt, stick it in there. All right, everything's started. Now we just gotta tighten everything up. All right, before I tighten everything up, I will attach the armature to our motor and put our nut on. There it is. All right, let's start tightening everything. All right, that looks tight. All right, that seems pretty tight. Ooh, this didn't break the windshield. That's pretty snug, you guys. All right. Our final bolt is a 13 millimeter. All right. I gotta imagine that's gonna work pretty good. We got it pretty tight. All right, well, let's put the shrouds back in. Let's put some wipers on this and let's see how it works. Attach my line right here on the passenger side. Fish it back through. Oh, I gotta pop it through the nub over here. All right, let's set this down here. All right, got our nub through here. We line up our pins over here. All right, well, let's put some wiper blades on it. Let's see how it works. Slide it over the nub. Looks pretty good to me. Oh, maybe a little bit lower. Let's try it one more time. I want to get it just a little bit lower. There we go. There, how's that look, boys and girls? It looks pretty good. There it goes. All right, there's the driver's side. Let's attach the passenger side. All right, I think I like it, ladies and gentlemen. It looks pretty good. Let's see how it works. All right, power on. Let's see what happens. Holy cow, look at that! They work. All right, we got wiper blades, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys enjoyed that video, give me a like, smash that subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Peace, everybody.